showcasing the Spark IQ program is an agriculture edutech platform where we have the vision of developing the next generation of growers.
So their feedback was quite amazing actually. We really didn't expect them to be so interactive, so willing to learn some new things that they generally do not learn when they're in general education, especially in terms of what have they learned, what have they gained, what are the outcomes. And right here, what you're seeing is our BIBD Alaf rooftop garden. So what you can see here is a modified version of a fertigation system, and a fertigation system is just simply a system that delivers nutrients and water into the individual plot. So what it does, it reduces inefficiencies in watering and fertilization, and it automates the process so it gives you more efficient yield. Here the students can learn many different things such as how to grow your own crops, what different type of systems they can use, what is the sustainable model of agriculture they can learn here and apply in their daily lives.
And I'm really happy that the kids actually liked it, and even they recommended to actually continue the program, the next one which is with the rock melon class. And along this BIBD Alaf program, the kids are actually learning from pre-planning until harvesting. So basically from A to Z about agriculture. Alhamdulillah, along this program, they're engaging well with the topics that I'm teaching. They're also involving well with the activities like the maintaining of the fertigation system, how to control the pests and the disease. They also learn how to prune, how to actually giving the correct amount of fertilizers, the correct amount of water level to the fertigation system.
We were here to just say congratulations and well done. They have gathered many produce and are able now to spread to their families and share it in the communities. We're very excited, and as a team, we couldn't be prouder.
I would like to extend my greatest gratitude to BIBD Alaf. Without them, there is no Spark IQ Farm to community. So I would like to extend my greatest gratitude to them.
Terima kasih kepada Agri pada mengajar kami harap hanya dapat